In a crowded city, rush hour traffic backs up for blocks. And here's the reason why. It's terror on the tracks. A group of careless commuters tries to beat the train, but they're stuck. And there's no stopping what happens next. With a tidal wave of mangled steel bearing down on him, one bystander barely scrambles to safety. But not everyone is so lucky. Witnesses search for the injured among the piles of crushed metal wreckage. Incredibly, only one woman was hurt in the entire incident. Maybe in the future, the drivers responsible will think twice about tempting fate. Especially when it's in the form of an oncoming train.